time for our second face-off. This is Battle of the Botanicals round 2. We have Camille Rose, Curl Maker, Marshmallow, and Agave Leaf Extract Botanical Gel. And this is the Kinky Curly Custard Botanical Styling Gel. I've been wanting to try both of these for a really long time, and I also know this is a go-to for a lot of people. So I'm excited to get to the bottom of this and see which one is gonna win. Both of these have aloe vera pretty high up on the ingredients list. They actually have a lot of overlapping ingredients. Yeah, horsetail, chamomile, nettle, marshmallow. And so we're gonna do Camille Rose on my left and Kinky Curly on my right. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Brittany. If you're new here, welcome to the battle. We are in round 2, so you've caught the battle early. I'm basically just testing a whole bunch of botanical gels. Those are my favorite types of gels overall, and I've been using specifically the Earth Tones natural one since 2021. That's an aloe vera based one, and that's been my favorite for a long time, but I was like, I've never explored. So I figured let me conduct a search and battle it out. Last video, which I'll have pinned up here, we did Earth Tones Naturals, which was my favorite gel, and we compared that one to B-Girl by The Do. My #1 gel got knocked off. I actually preferred B-Girl in the end. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm gonna start off with re-wetting my hair, but I'm going to section this top part first. All right, first impressions of the Camille Rose. I've never smelt this. I've never felt this. Nothing. Okay, kind of doesn't really have a smell, just like a light floral smell, if anything. Okay, I really like this texture a lot. It just smooths right in here. Again, very similar to Earth Tones. I might be putting a little too much. Now I'm brushing it through all over. And now I'm gonna brush style with my knockoff Denman, section by section. I just do a little twirl and that's it. All right, this side is done. Now we do Kinky Curly on this side. And there's actually a seal. Listen, when I say first impressions, literally first impressions, I gotta cut this open. Oh. I think this is my favorite, like, if you really want your product to have a scent, this is a good one. Tropical, coconutty, pineapple-y, I don't know, it just smells really good. This is the texture. This has the strongest, the strongest smell in terms of like what you would think a curly girl will smell like, that tropical breeze. Have you ever seen those memes when a curly girl walks by and it's this, you get hit with a tropical scent taken to the island? Yeah, that's exactly what Kinky Curly is. Brushing it all through and now brush style. No guys, the anticipation is killing me. I cannot wait to see these results. Camille Rose and Kinky Curly are OGs in the natural hair care space. So, you know, having them battle out and also just this being my first time trying them, I'm on a high. I can't wait to see how this comes out. Okay, both sides are done. I'm gonna do the crown of my head. I'm doing the exact same thing. I'm gonna split this in 2 and I'll be back when that's done. Everything has been brush styled. Again, Camille Rose is on this side and the other side is Kinky Curly. Okay, I will say based on first use, first impressions, I prefer the Kinky Curly side. I liked the texture better. I think it clumped the curls a little bit better. Yeah, like I think I can already tell there's gonna be less frizz. So we'll see. I cannot make my final decision until obviously day 4, but based off first impressions, loving the Kinky Curly. I'm gonna diffuse and I'm gonna be back right after to show you what it looks like as soon as I'm done diffusing. Okay, so these gels are both amazing. They did not come to play. I'm looking in the mirror and I cannot tell much of a difference. They look so similar, maybe a bit more definition on this side, but like at first glance, you cannot tell. Let me do a quick Camille Rose, a quick 360. So we'll have to see tomorrow. My hair is the type of hair that I like to show the results on the next day, day 1, because it needs some time to settle and get the volume back. Right now it's really defined and kind of flat. I like to show it when the fluff and the volume is back. I will also say when I did the front area, I messed up because I did these two. I styled them differently and you can clearly tell there's a difference. There's more volume on this side versus this side because This is my problem area. I always have trouble getting this area to curl. So this week I was really raking in and smoothing down in this kind of motion, this section, whereas on this side I did what I normally do and I just brushed it away from my head. So I kind of just brushed it and flung it back. You can see very clearly there's a difference in the volume there. So in my final thoughts, I'll just consider everything except the front. But yeah, it's looking beautiful. I cannot wait for tomorrow to see the results. All right, it's the next day, so let's see what's under here. Whoa. This was a great wash day. So I'll be separating the curls, putting a little bit of oil on my hands while I do that. And I'm just gonna go side by side and slowly separate the larger clumps because I like volume. So I'm gonna do that on each side and then come back. Okay, but honestly, as I'm even separating these curls, both sides look very similar. I'm trying not to think too far ahead of which side would be the winner because I genuinely do not know. I just separated the curls and tell me there's no difference. Both look amazing. But let me pick and then I will give my final thoughts for day 1. But I think it's going to come down to day 4 in which side holds up more with the least amount of frizz. So I'll see you in 4 days. It's day 5. We're doing a day 5 comparison today of Camille Rose on this side and Kinky Curly on this side. Okay, let's fluff and see. I will say when it was round 1, I could kind of tell a difference from the day of styling, but with round 2 and the Camille Rose and Kinky Curly, they are so similar. Okay, let's take a slow look. Okay, remember I did say I wasn't gonna compare the front pieces because of that little difference in the way that I styled them. Okay, I've made my decision. The difference is so, I'm nitpicking. This is basically a tie, but obviously I have to pick one. And this is coming down to just the tiniest bit more definition on the Kinky Curly side. I think it also just looks a bit curlier on this side. Like I'm really looking at these back sections here and comparing here. I do think there's more frizz on this side when I'm lifting the hair like this. So we're gonna go with Kinky Curly, but again, it's so minimal. I will also say the smell of the Kinky Curly also pushes it over the edge because it does have a nicer smell. But I think the value for your money, what is this? This is 12 ounces and this is 8 ounces. I feel like they were similar in price. So you actually will get way more use out of the Camille Rose gel over time. Affordability might factor into your decision. The difference is so minimal that if you're on a budget, just get this, it's fine. And it will last you longer. But yeah, I will have to go though, results wise. Yeah, I'm gonna go with Kinky Curly. All right guys, that's a wrap for round 2. We got Kinky Curly as the winner. She's moving on to the next, not the next round, but the next tier, the next level, I don't know. Basically, the winner of each round is gonna move on and face each other, and then eventually we're gonna get to one winner. So now for our next face-off, we're gonna be doing Inner Sense, Eye Create Hold, and the As I Am Aloe Vera Gel. I'm excited for this one. This is gonna be good. All right guys, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any more videos, any more face-offs, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you in round 3. Bye.